Unlocking creativity. Practical strategies for innovative meal planning and preparation. In the culinary world, creativity is as vital as the ingredients themselves. Meal planning and preparation isn't just about fueling our bodies, it's an avenue for expressing creativity and personal flair. Understanding the role of creativity in meal planning and preparation can transform your routine meals into culinary adventures. 1. Embrace variety in your diet. Embrace variety in your diet to unlock your culinary creativity. Introduce a range of ingredients into your meals, explore different cooking methods, and play with colors and textures to create visually appealing dishes. 2. Use technology for meal planning. Leverage technology to enhance your meal planning experience. Meal planning apps, online cooking classes, and social media platforms can provide endless inspiration and guidance for trying new recipes and techniques. 3. Experiment with different cuisines. Step out of your culinary comfort zone and explore different cuisines from around the world. Trying new dishes introduces you to new ingredients, flavors, and cooking techniques, fueling your creativity in the kitchen. 4. Plan meals around seasonal produce. Incorporate seasonal produce into your meal planning to benefit from peak flavors, enjoy a wider variety of produce, and embrace sustainability. Let the seasons guide your menu and inspire creative dishes. 5. Incorporate leftovers creatively. View leftovers as an opportunity for culinary creativity. Repurpose leftover ingredients into new dishes, use them as fillings or toppings, and experiment with different flavor combinations to breathe new life into your meals. 6. Try new cooking techniques. Explore new cooking techniques to expand your culinary skills and unleash your creativity in the kitchen. From sous vide to fermentation to dehydration, each technique offers unique opportunities for experimentation and innovation. By embracing variety, technology, global cuisines, seasonal produce, leftovers, and new cooking techniques, you can unlock your creativity and elevate your meal planning and preparation to new heights. Get ready to embark on a delicious culinary journey. Quote,